Hey guys, it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have some easy nail ideas for you guys, and all of these are perfect if you're a beginner or if you're just looking for some quick nail art to do. And yeah, we're just gonna jump right into it. So for the first design, I started off with a blushy pink base, and then I'm just gonna be taking this gold metallic shade and swiping it across the free edge of my nail to create a tip. And if you're like, oh my gosh, there's no way my hand is steady enough for that, you could always use striping tape or even regular scotch tape just to create a guideline for you. So yeah, that is it for the first design. This took maybe 5 minutes to do, super easy, and this is what it looks like with a glossy top coat. And then you guys already know I added a matte top coat, which I personally, I love matte, so I did a matte top coat for all of these. And I do have to say, this matte top coat, this is Sally Hansen Miracle Gel matte top coat, has become my favorite. I have like 3 bottles right now. I know, it's a problem. So moving on to the next design, I'm gonna be starting off with a brown base, and then we're just gonna be adding random little lines. So I'm using a nude nail polish, and then I'm also using a brush that I got from Michael's craft store, and it was definitely bigger than this, but then I cut it down with some scissors. But anyways, for the lines, these do not have to be perfect, guys. Like, I feel like nobody should be that close to your nail anyway. And because these are short, they are a lot easier to draw instead of a line going across your entire nail. So I just went ahead and did that on all of my nails in random spots. And you can stop here, you know, add your matte top coat and be done, but I couldn't resist adding glitter. Surprise, I know. So I'm gonna be taking this gold glitter and making a little line on each of my nails. And for some reason, it's so much easier to draw lines using glitter instead of regular nail polish. I really don't know why, but if you do want to draw all of the lines using glitter, it will make it easier. But either way, I just love the look of the matte with the glitter. Like, it is so cute. Wow. Like, even looking at them again, these are definitely my favorite out of all the nails I did in this video because, I don't know, it's like simple, but you get that boho minimal look. I don't even know. But anyways, moving on to the next look. These are probably the easiest nails ever. I'm not even kidding. So basically all I'm doing is taking 4 different shades and making a random brush stroke kind of look. And this is definitely more of an abstract painting inspired design. And like I said in my last video, I love abstract because you can't really mess it up because it's not supposed to look like anything. So this really is perfect if you're just starting out at nail art, or if you like that look of like intentional, messy designs. Does this make sense? I don't even know. But I ended up adding a matte top coat, and this is the final look. I see. Ooh, it looks so clean. Moving on to the next design, I'm gonna be using striping tape. So I started off with a completely dry white base and top coat, and you wanna make sure this is completely dry before you put the tape on. So I went ahead and laid down 4 pieces of tape, and then I'm gonna be taking this nude tannish shade and just painting it in a blob. A blob, ooh, that sounds so weird. But yeah, there's really, I don't know what this is supposed to be, but after I did that, I went ahead and peeled off the striping tape as soon as possible. You do not want the nail polish to dry, and it created this. Again, I don't know what this is. This is definitely more of an abstract design. So with the next nail, I did the same exact thing, except I used black nail polish this time. And yeah, I don't know. Honestly, guys, I kind of don't like these, but then at the same time I love them. Like, I don't know how I feel, and then the more I look at them, the more they look like an Adidas logo gone wrong. So yeah, that's the final look. And now moving on to the next design, I'm going to be using striping tape again, and you do want to make sure that this base is completely dry because you're going to lay the striping tape on top of it, and you're going to just kind of smooth it down using tweezers. So if it isn't completely dry, you're going to be denting the nail polish, and it's going to be like a struggle. So just make sure it's dry, and then I'm just folding the ends up a little bit and then trimming them off. That is it. You do want to make sure that you finish off with a top coat, either glossy or matte. It doesn't really matter, but you do want to have something on top of that tape so that it's not peeling back up. So yeah, let me know which look was your favorite, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.